Vehicle development projects increasingly run across organisations, locations, regions and cultures. They are complex, interrelated, incredibly challenging projects. Down in the test facility, there's always lots happening at the same time. You need to be able to deploy your people flexibly between teams. They need to understand the task at hand and how best to operate the various devices and the test systems to get the required results. But how do you get everybody on the same page? Training is time-consuming, taking people out of projects, usually when they're most needed. So you have great AVL technology on the one hand, but rely on learning by doing to operate it, and of course the operator manuals. But that's slow and inefficient, prone to errors, and you may never make the most out of your testing tools. And besides, who wants to read the manual, and where is it anyway? We decided to have a rethink about how we can make the basic key skill sets available to all test cell operators, whether or not they go on to become super users. Now, you've always been able to send your people to AVL on training courses. That trains experts, but not everybody needs that detail. You can also get on-site training from AVL, but that's limited too, usually by time, place, and participant numbers. We've realised we need to make this type of basic knowledge available where the users are and when they need it. That's web-based training. Access course modules anytime, any place via the web. Go through the material at your own speed and assess as you go. It's an incredibly fast and fun way to get the whole team up to speed in a short space of time, as learning becomes integrated directly into people's lives. The skill level is transparent, their knowledge is up to date, and they're better at their jobs. And they don't need to look for the manual. In other words, they are doing by learning. That's a much better approach.